Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a Cosmo and Wanda inspired makeup tutorial. This is just a eye tutorial and I'm grabbing the Morphe and Jeffree Star palette and taking the shade Self Made. It is a super pigmented shade, it's crazy. And I'm just packing this all over the lid. And then I'm going to take the James Charles and Morphe palette and I'm going to just use the bright pink in that one. And I'm just going to blend that just all along the crease. And I'm also going to blow it right out and go right up to my brow bone and create kind of like a winged look. And then I'm just using the gold highlighting shade in the palette and just highlighting my brow bone and my inner corner, but you could just use like any gold highlighter that you have. And then I'm taking the light green and the dark green and just putting that on my bottom lash line, just blending that out, and just make sure that you don't mix that with the pink. Then I'm taking the shade Nate and I'm doing the exact same steps and just packing that on the lid on the other eye. This shade can be a little bit patchy, but I'm just blending that out with the light green shade from the James Charles palette. And then I'm just using the James Charles pink shade and running that along my lash line. And then I use the NYX Cosmetics black liner. And then I ended up running out of this. Unfortunately, it's my favorite eyeliner, but I just used the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner to just fix that up. And then for some glitter, I just use the Urban Decay Heavy Metals glitter liner in Midnight Cowboy, and I just made it quite messy. And then I wanted to add some more glitter, so I just took Millions from the Jeffree Star palette and just put that underneath my eye to make it look like fairy dust. And then I just used these Modelrock lashes, the demi wispies. They're just super natural and fluffy. I didn't want anything too dramatic for this look. And then I'm just using the Kylie Cosmetics Coco K lip liner and then just going in with Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Pretty Please. It's a super pretty pink lip gloss. And then I decided I wanted to add some little rhinestones, but after putting them on I realized I didn't like it. I think if they were a bit smaller they would have looked better. Let me know what you think in the comments. Do you like it with the rhinestones or without? But that is the end of the tutorial, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you all very soon. Bye!